My dear children, welcome to YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. Subscribe for more videos. You will find chemistry easy here. In this video, we are going to learn ancient symbols. So in the ancient time, Greek people have used various symbols. Especially, they thought that the whole universe is made up of mainly four elements: air, water, earth and fire. This kind of idea is not new to Indian culture as well. Even in Indian culture, we say five things, five elements that make up our whole universe. In Tamil, we say Nilam, Neer, Kaatru, Agayam, Neruppu. Nilam, earth, near, water, Kaatru, air, Agayam, space. In Western countries, they say ether and Neruppu, fire. So in Greek, they say four elements. You could see this picture in your book. So let us start with the area called warm and cold. It's a mythological concept, so there is no scientific evidence for this. So the Greek people thought that whatever the hot material, it is comes to the masculine element, which is very active. So we say male. We know very well that always the fire goes up, moves upward. That's why this symbol pointing upward. And whichever the material is hot is always moving up. That is the reason the symbol is triangle that's moving upward. Let us come to the water, which is cold always. Whichever object is cold, they come and they come under the heading called feminine, which is normally a passive, we call female. And the water always condenses and comes down always. That's the reason it has a downward triangle. So these two are opposite. That's why it is given in the opposite direction. Come to the fire part. Fire is always dry and hot. That's why it is given as dry and hot. Water, it's always moist and cold. That's why. Come to the other two parts, other two elements. Air. Air sometimes moist, sometimes hot. So when it comes to the hot, it comes under masculine. And you just look at this triangle symbol. This is also pointing upwards. That means when it's hot, it's moving up. When it's hot, it is moving up. That's the reason it is having an upward triangle, symbol of upward triangle. And then there is a cross bar inside this, we call horizontal bar, which indicates when the moisture comes to the air, it blocks the fire. So whenever we use this horizontal bar, which means blocks. So whenever the moisture comes to the air, which blocks fire. We come to the next one, earth. Earth we give downward triangle symbol because it's a cold and dry always. Whenever dryness come to earth, it blocks water. That's why the earth symbol come from water, whereas the air symbol come from fire. The very similar things, similar concepts used here. Got it? So the air is an opposite element of the earth. It has a relation with water and fire. Yes, air sometimes moist and sometimes dry. So hot. We say warm or hot. So that means air has a relation with water and fire, but no relation with earth. Similarly, fire and water are opposite elements. Yes, fire and water are opposite elements. So with that, they thought that each and every object in the universe are made up of these four elements: earth, water, air, and fire, based on Greek symbol. So they use these symbols to represent how the universe formed. I hope you have understood each and every element in this diagram. I hope it helps. Thank you so much.